maximized cargo capacity while keeping the overall vehicle compact. At approximately 3,000 pounds, the handy van pickup remained relatively lightweight for a utility vehicle, helping it maneuver easily through crowded streets and work sites. What made the GMC handy van pickup so unusual was its blend of van practicality and pickup utility. While most manufacturers kept those categories separate, GMC experimented with combining both concepts into a single vehicle. Before we reveal the next unusual truck, hit that like button if you're enjoying the countdown. 8. Chevrolet Corvair Loadside, 1962. Instead of using a traditional front-engine layout, Chevrolet borrowed technology from the Corvair passenger car and created one of the strangest utility vehicles of the decade. The exterior featured a compact cab, smooth body lines, a low cargo bed, and a distinctive rear engine design that immediately separated it from conventional pickups. Its clean styling made it look more like a futuristic concept than a work truck. Under the rear bed sat an air-cooled 2.4-liter flat six, producing approximately 80 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a manual transmission, providing respectable performance for light-duty hauling and everyday use. Inside, the cabin remained simple and functional, with basic gauges, durable materials, and excellent visibility. The absence of a large engine up front created a surprisingly spacious driving environment. At approximately 2,800 pounds, the loadside remained relatively lightweight, helping deliver good maneuverability and efficiency for its time. What truly made the Corvair loadside unusual was its rear engine configuration. While most pickups relied on traditional truck engineering, Chevrolet experimented with an entirely different approach. The result was one of the rarest and weirdest pickups of the 1960s, a vehicle that remains a fascinating chapter in automotive history. 7. Ford Ranchero Squire, 1964. While most pickups were built purely for work, the Ranchero Squire offered a much more stylish approach. The exterior featured distinctive wood-grain side trim, chrome accents, a long cargo bed, and elegant wagon-inspired styling that made it look unlike any other pickup on the road. Its upscale appearance helped it stand out from traditional work trucks. Under the hood sat a 4.7-liter, 289 cubic inch V8, producing approximately 210 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a manual or automatic transmission, giving the Ranchero respectable performance while maintaining its utility-focused character. Inside, the cabin felt closer to a passenger car than a pickup. Comfortable bench seating, attractive trim, and a well-designed dashboard created a driving experience that was far more refined than most trucks of the era. At approximately 3,100 pounds, the Ranchero remained relatively lightweight, helping provide smooth road manners and decent performance. What made the Ranchero Squire truly weird was its combination of station wagon luxury and pickup practicality. Ford essentially created a vehicle that could haul cargo during the week and look stylish cruising through town on the weekend, making it one of the rarest and most distinctive pickups of the 1960s. Things are about to get a whole lot weirder. 6. Willys Jeep FC150, 1961. The 1961 Willys Jeep FC150 looked more like a piece of construction equipment than a pickup truck. Its unusual cab-forward design placed the driver directly above the front axle, creating one of the strangest and most recognizable utility vehicles of the 1960s. The exterior featured a flat front end, round headlights, a short wheelbase, and a compact cargo bed. Its forward control layout maximized hauling capability while keeping the overall vehicle surprisingly small. Under the hood sat a 2.2-liter Hurricane inline-4, producing approximately 72 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque. Power was sent to all four wheels through a rugged four-wheel drive system, allowing the FC150 to tackle terrain that would stop most conventional pickups. Inside, the cabin was extremely basic, with simple gauges, durable materials, and a commanding driving position. Functionality mattered far more than comfort. At approximately 2,800 pounds, the FC150 remained relatively lightweight for a four-wheel drive truck. Combined with its short wheelbase, it offered excellent maneuverability in difficult conditions. What made the FC150 truly unusual was its cab-over-engine design. While most pickups stretched outward with long hoods, Willys focused on maximizing utility and off-road capability. The result was one of the weirdest and rarest pickups of the 1960s, a truck that looked unconventional but could handle jobs many larger vehicles couldn't.